Welcome to the University of Venda Session 3 of INT 1141 Law Library Training. My name is Doli Makura. I work with 3 other colleagues. We are 4 in the law library. Mr. Ramavina, our law librarian, Ms. Marwara, and Mr. Selamulela. The purpose of this video is to familiarize our students with Univen Law Library. The case law and the statutes are the primary sources of law, important for legal research. We have a systematic format to follow when searching the case and statutes. The index guide the reader to a set of volumes. We have index to the statutes of South Africa. We need a citation to locate an act from a set of statutes of South Africa which has 7 volumes. The index is arranged alphabetically as well as chronologically. Upon opening each book, we go to the contents page, that is a trend, where we'll be directed to a list of acts or statutes. It will depend on the reader whether they decide to search using the chronological or the alphabetical list. An example of an alphabetical list will be Criminal Procedure Act, the name of the act, and an example of the chronological order will be Act 51 of 1977, that is the number of the act. You may be given an assignment to do on Act 108 of 1996, not knowing which act it is. The index will help you to know that it is the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Now we come to the practical part. Firstly, you will open the index to Statutes of South Africa. On the contents page, you will find it has 3 parts listed. We will then concentrate on the first part of the index, because if you master the first part, it will be easier for you to use the index going further. It also will depend on the reader whether they want to search by the act number or just the name of the act. To find Criminal Procedure Act, the name of the act, we will use an alphabetical list. And to find the number of the act, which is Act 51 of 1977, we will use the chronological order. For the chronological order, we need to be very careful as the year appears at the top right of each page, while the number of the act is found at the left margin of the page. Proceeding to the right margin of the page, you will find the volume number put in brackets. After getting the volume, you will pick the relevant one and go to its contents page, where you will follow the grouping, e.g. criminal procedure and the law. It is in volume 1. You will continue to get further instructions until you get to the act that you are looking for. Now we are going to part 2, which will help you to find case law from the Law Report of South Africa. Case law. A case law contains the outcomes of the former cases. We also use an index to the law reports to locate certain cases inside the law reports. We go to the contents page. You may have a full citation or just the name of the applicant and the respondent. For example, S versus Makwanyani or S versus Zuma. The contents page will direct you to the table of cases and you will be given a page number. When you follow it up, you will find a list of cases listed alphabetically. That is the page where you will get full citation. For example, S versus Makwanyani and others, 1995 in brackets 3 for volume South African Law Reports, page 391 CC. Then that is when you will go to the shelf where South African Law Reports are shelved, looking for 1995 volume 3. When you find it, you will know the page that you want, which is in our case will be page 391, and it will be a full case of S versus Makwanyane and others. I thank you.